What's up guys, it's Tom with Varus Engineering, and today we're going to be installing our dual dive plane kit for the 718 GT4. So with the addition of our dual dive plane kit, we are looking to increase front end downforce as well as evacuate all of the turbulent air in the wheel wells, and ultimately this will create a reduction in front end lift. So that being said, let's dive right into the install. All right, components you're going to receive in the kit for the 718 GT4 dive planes. You'll have 4 pieces of pre-cut VHB tape. That'll be 2 for the uppers and 2 for the lowers. And of course you will receive your 2 upper either gloss or matte dive planes and lower gloss or matte dive planes, depending on which one you order. Of course, receive a product card and a sticker and a template that we will be cutting out in order to apply to the car and show us where to install these beautiful dive planes. All right, step 1 is going to be some arts and crafts. Locate your template and whichever side you're doing first, take that side out and go ahead and cut it out. Once you have it cut out, tape it to the car. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then we'll be back. Okay, so off camera, cut out the template, taped it to the car. And now what I wanna do is grab my clean microfiber and my 50-50 mix of isopropyl alcohol and water. And I like to do it this way and basically kind of prep the inside area where the actual tape is going to be bonding. This way you're not wiping the whole car. Ultimately, it's up to you. Okay. Next step is you want to grab your dive planes and prep the back side of it. Again, with the 50-50 mix of isopropyl alcohol and water. Do that for the top and bottom for the side that you're currently installing. And then grab the correct VHB tape and you want to apply the white side down. So basically this white piece here is just backing, peel that off, and then you want to apply it to the back of the dive plane like so. We are not going to install this full piece because we still need to do some testing where we'll need to remove the dive plane. And so for now, I'm just going to put these little dots on here. But basically, pull the backing off, stick it to the back of the dive plane, and then you want to work it into the dive plane. We'll have a little info card kind of pop up here that'll show you all of the ideal specs for the 3M VHB tape. So once you have your tape stuck to the back of the dive plane, we will go ahead and apply it to the car. So begin by basically peeling off a small portion of the red backing, just a small portion. Like if I had the full thing here, I'd pull off maybe like a ½ an inch. And what that'll allow me to do is stick it to the car and still readjust as necessary. Then once I have it where I need it, you can basically set it on there, peel the rest of it off, and then apply your final amount of pressure and make sure everything is sitting correctly. All right, so once you have the dive planes set in the correct position that you want, go ahead and work them into, or work the tape basically into the bumper and apply pressure. I like to do basically about 30 seconds, kind of like in 3 spots for the big one and maybe 30 seconds altogether for the small one. And just hold that pressure there so that they are stuck to the car sufficiently. Once you have that done, go ahead and remove the template. You're good to go. That's going to wrap it up for the install of the dual dive plane kit for the 718 GT4. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, be sure to email us at sales@Veris-Engineering. And until next time, we'll see you later.